So when you come to Google Gemini, you go ahead and click on the create image and then head back. I have prompt arranged about 10 prompts here, and this is basically Nano Banana 2 cinematic selfie universe. So I'll copy these guys and paste here. Alright, so go ahead and upload our reference image for this particular prompt, and once it is done uploading, we'll select the thinking model and then smash, and immediately Nano Banana Pro begin generating your image for you. Okay, so this is the result for prompt 1, and you can see different characters in this. These are cinematic selfie, and these are blowing up on Instagram and Facebook right now, guys. So this is what we got for the first. I can go ahead and edit it. If you want, you can just go ahead and edit it, do whatever you want to it, and write your text, change color. Nano Banana Pro is 100% advanced now. So heading up now, you can just do some changes and then save it. Next up, you're going to be using the prompt 2. Now I'm not going to be copying each prompt step by step. I'll be giving you a number in the prompt for you and moving, guys. So make sure you know. Now if you are using it, you have been following us for some time now, you should understand that here I literally just talk about the prompt, upload the reference image, and show you result in order to save time. So after this particular prompt, I'm going ahead with that method to save time. We have 10 prompts to explore, and if you enjoy this prompt and you want another part, just comment part 2 and I'll be giving you another 10. Okay, so you go ahead and upload the reference image. Always do it. Now once you have done that, this is the last prompt I'm showing from the file. Remember, I'll be dropping the link of the file and the prompt as well. The link will be in the comment section, and the prompts are going to be inside the Telegram community. Nano Banana Pro is generating for us now. Wow, this is really amazing. This is the result for prompt 2, and this is the Turtle Ninja Tortoise or something like that. You can see Leonardo, you can see Donatello, you can see Michelangelo, you can see Raphael. I was a big fan of this. So Nano Banana Pro can actually fix you in a space with these amazing characters, guys. So this is absolutely beautiful. You can just go ahead and download it and maybe do whatever you want to it. Posting this on your Instagram can just go wide, go viral. It looks so cinematically real. Alright, moving on to the prompt 3. Alright, and here we go. This is the result for prompt 3, and you can see how beautiful it is, how detailed it is. Now you remember, every prompt I share right here has something to do with the character in question. The environment tells a lot, and this is basically about the tech wave cartoon, right? We have watched this cinematic cartoon, and we have just had a selfie with it, so you can actually use your reference image and place yourself with them, having fun, guys. So this is how you get it done. Let us move on to the prompt 4. Now we got a prompt 3. Let us move on to the prompt 4. I will show the step of copying this again and then going ahead to upload our reference image in case you are just joining us for the first time. After you have done that, let the image upload and then click on smash, and immediately Nano Banana 2 begin the generation of this image ASAP. Yo, now this is a selfie with SpongeBob SquarePants. This is in nice quality. Now you can see how detailed Nano Banana 2 is. You can see the cinematic flow, the water lightning, the color grading, the smile, everything is real. You can see Patrick is my guy, selfie with the at the bottom of the goofy golden hour vibes, guys. So this is something Nano Banana can do for you with no stress, absolutely no stress. It is amazing and it's easy to do. You just need to put in your reference image, use the prompt I will drop it in the Telegram community, and you have your result right here, guys. So heading up, we're going to be using the prompt 5 over here, and this one is called the spy vote minimal heist selfie. Let us see what that looks like. Now one nice thing about Nano Banana 2 is that immediately you upload the particular reference image like 3 times, then if you want to use a prompt like the next 2 times, you don't even need to upload the reference image. The engine automatically fix it because it understands that that is what you have been using. And let us see what I just said. If it's completely true, this image is going to be using the exact reference image we used earlier, and if you notice clearly, we did not upload any reference image now. And this is it. The reference image wasn't uploaded, but Nano Banana 2 engine held the previous reference image and maintained consistency, and this is what it generated for us, a heist type of image. Now these characters are very popular. If you watch cartoons and you watch TV a lot, you know this, and we infused ourselves into these guys. So this is how it looks like when you use Nano Banana 2 and get a right prompt. Moving up to the next prompt, we get a prompt 6, and it's called the Viking for just Shrek. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. Paste our prompt, upload our reference image. Now, like I said earlier, it isn't a must upload it again. I just feel like I should keep everything 100% accurately since you guys are watching, but you can just use it. The next two reference can just come from your own head without using any image. Alright, so let us upload our reference image ASAP to this and hit it. This is a prompt 6. Now make sure the image always upload before you smash, and then give it some time, Nano Banana, to start generating us our image. Okay, so this is another cinematic scene of Shrek and the donkey with our reference image in a somehow ancient or war front or something of that nature, a movie type of stuff, guys. So this is also generated by Nano 2, and Nano 2 keeps the reaction of our reference image, Shrek and the donkey, matching the vibe, taking a selfie, guys. Now, as you already know, this is a Nano Banana 2 cinematic selfie type of prompt. Alright, so let us explore the next prompt. We have the prompt 7. It's called the superhero battle aftermath selfie. Alright, this sounds amazing. Let me see what this can actually generate for us. Alright, so this is another amazing full pack prompt right here. You can see the hawk, you can see the different characters, guys. So I kept this prompt at a level that it avoids copyright for third-party usage, and this prompt has Hawk, Iron Man, Spider-Man, it has Captain America and stuff, guys. So this is how you get it done, and you put yourself in the middle of the action, having a selfie with the crew, with the big boys. Alright, now let us check out the other prompt, which is the prompt 9. So copy the prompt 9 prompt over here, come back, paste it over here, and then insert your reference image, and then put and then hit on with it. Always make sure the reference image upload and then smash. And here we go, cut right into the action with Pokemon and the theme, guys. And this is another cinematic prompt that gives us a real feel of being inside a superhero or a movie scene, right there taking selfie. Now you can see the camera angle, the lightning, the cinematic touch, guys. So this is the visual quality is crazily mad, and Nano Banana 2 nails this to the next level, guys. I don't want to be wasting time on this prompt and on this result, so let us move on to the next one and see how we can get more amazing results. And this is the last prompt for today, and it is called horror amusement park selfie. So let us paste this now. I'm not gonna be using any reference image. Let's let Nano Banana do his stuff. Alright, so I personally got nice chills for this particular prompt, and I'll tell you why. Now this prompt is more like a apocalypse zombie type of stuff. Now could you actually imagine taking a selfie in the middle of a zombie apocalypse where a zombie is right behind you? That is crazy, guys. Nano Banana to give you that feels, that cinematic feels, mixing a clown, a zombie, and a priest type of stuff behind, and a doll inside. This is a scary amusement park, and I think you don't want to be there because the lightning, the cinematic texture, and everything is just on point, guys. So yeah, I feel and I know this prompt a master prompt. You should try to get your cinematic AI selfie clean from the source, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, turn on the bell, drop a comment, and tell me what you think about this. See you all next time.